morning, everyone. I'm Nikhil this side. I'm from Rai Lakshmi Solution. I'm an implementer over here. Welcome back again. In the last video, we will see how to create a segment of company or a contact for a marketing in Bitrix24. So we can see in the today's video we will see the how to create a segment and add a custom recipient in the segment. Okay. So for that we need to open the marketing tool. Okay, we just click on that marketing tool. Okay, we click on the email campaigning again. We choose one template, click on custom template. I need to add the custom recipient, so that we need to click on create button. I need to create one segment for that. So I click that create button. So I just name today best 25% offer. Okay, you can see the custom recipient list here. I need to import or click on that import button. So we need to copy and paste here also. I just add manually. I will add one or two email IDs or G and direct world.com. We'll add another aditya.s world.com P and direct Lakshmi Lakshmi world.com and last one common.b and actually world.com. Yeah. So I will click on import. Yeah, successfully added fourth recipient and we add a custom recipient list. Okay, I just click on save button. Okay, it's taking 2 minutes or hardly 10 seconds. Okay, you can see we have successfully added the custom recipient in the segment. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for your more content. Okay, let's see you in the next one. Thank you.